You're probably wondering, why am I showing you this?
It's pretty simple.
I bought this van for $300.
That's right. 300, I said.
Well, the reason is I don't have a reason why I'm showing you this. I bought this just because it was cheap for myself. I don't know, $300 cargo van? Why not? Clean title? Why not? Engine got rebuilt 30,000 miles ago with the transmission. I mean, it's a pretty solid van. But just messing around with you guys. But on a serious note, I'm remodeling this van, quote unquote. So just cleaning it up, making it look more presentable. Yet there's decals on the side from a company I bought it from. But that's besides the point. I did a little walk around with this van when I bought it. So check it out. Okay guys, so here's the van. All in this glory. I did not record it when it was when I just got it. I did a few things and then I was like, oh shoot, I need to record. So here's the interior of it. There was a shelf right there. There's a shelf here. And then I already took out the seats. And that's wet insulation, which is nasty. And it is winters almost here, and it is freezing temperatures at night, even during the day. So yeah, just a little quick walk around. Here it is, pretty clean. It has some kind of wrap on it, but as you can tell, the wrap is already damaged and probably not so clean on the other side. So here it is, and let's see what we transformed this thing in. I don't know when this video is going to be up. It's October 11th, 2019. I don't know what I'm going to do with this van, but here it is. It's a 1996 Astro all-wheel drive V6 engine. Has 250,000 miles on it. It was rebuilt about 30,000 miles ago. The engine was rebuilt, so there's a transmission. I got all the receipts literally for everything that was done since 2000. And what else can I add here? Yeah, it was, as you could tell, a painting. This is not my company, but free advertising. If you need some paint done, there you go. They do great work. So yeah, this thing's pretty awesome. It drives really smooth. Like, this is a really old cargo van, and I've been in a lot of old cargo vans and cars and trucks, and this thing just drives unbelievably nice. So I mean, obviously it's pretty dirty, but yeah, it is what it is. You can see insulation is wet. We're gonna have it dried out. I'm about to pull that out. Standing in water. Okay, so here's what I got, guys. So tore out the floor. See, that's still dirty. I might have to get a new insulation. I'll see. But tore out the floor, clean it up. That stuff ain't coming out without a pressure washer, so I might have to pressure washer it. We'll see. Honestly, to me, it's not that big of a deal as long as it's dry, because it was wet underneath. But yeah, the issue I'm having, let me show you guys, is this paint stuff. You can see the van is pretty clean. It's just this paint stuff is not coming off. I might need some acetone or something. See that door? Just makes it look all junky. So I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try to figure it out. I'm sure in this video that you're watching, I'll figure it out, but this is what it looks like. I don't know what I'm converting it into yet. Just basically for now, just cleaning it up. There's a lot of things you could do with a cargo van. Business, transport toys, car parts, literally anything. So, but that was not the idea. So now I'm like working on this van. I'm like, you know what? I want to record this van. So let me break down a couple things for you guys. info for this van. So this is a 1996 Chevy Astro all-wheel drive. And if you guys know, all-wheel drive are pretty rare on these things, and where we live in the northern Idaho area, we get a ton of snow. So this is perfect. So another thing, this thing is a clean title, which for me, this is I think my second clean title car I ever had in my life, and I had a few cars, and for me that's kind of cool. I mean, not that it matters, honestly, titles don't matter to me, but you know, just the name of it. So this thing has 250,000 miles. About 30,000 miles ago, the engine and the transmission was rebuilt. Got receipts for it, everything. And there's a lot of work that was done to this cargo van, and I got all the receipts to prove it. There are about $10,000 worth of receipts since 2000, and that's crazy. Like, somebody put so much time and money into this thing. And obviously this was a company, MJ's Painting. I don't know if they don't want me saying their name or not, but I met them, they were good guys, and hooked me up with this van for no reason. It was posted on the internet, and went and picked it up. So I'm pretty excited. So I started working on this van to clean it up a little bit, like we do with a lot of the stuff that we don't record on YouTube. And then I was like, wait, maybe I should record it. Like, there's no reason why I shouldn't record it. So here we are. I tore the interior apart. There was shelving. It was pretty dirty inside. Obviously, for 300 bucks, you're not getting anything perfect, so why not? So here's the video. Started working on it a little bit, and we're gonna continue working on it, and I have a lot of plans. I went to the store, I picked up some sandpaper, some cleaner, and some wire brushes. I didn't actually have wire brushes. I got some kind of other garbage brushes, but then I got some bedliner paint, like in a can. And the reason for that is because there's rubber mats there that were all in paint. They're so dirty, and I can't find a good rubber mat where it's one piece, where I could roll it out, I could cut out what I need to cut out, the wheel wells and stuff like that, and then just have a nice solid piece. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna bedliner it, see how it turns out. If it does not turn out well, I'll just slap the mats back on there. Or if I do find some mats, I'll just slap them. Like, it doesn't really matter and doesn't hurt. But I'm going to clean this van up. It's going to look spotless. And you guys are here along for this journey. So this is probably going to be a couple part video. So this is going to be part one. There's probably going to be two. I don't know, maybe three. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got to stop talking. Like, I've been already talking for like 2 minutes. Let's get in and work on this van. Okay, so after that video, here's my pup. Hey, what's up? Okay, so after that video, I already got kind of cleaned up. As you can see, it's still a little dirty. I'm going to get some wire brushes and clean it up. There's some rust. I put the seats back in because I was going to move this van to a different location, but I'm going to have to probably take them out again. And I got some cleaner for the walls and for the doors. I'm going to see if it works. Okay, so I just got my sander here. I got 80 grit. As you can see, I already started to try to do it. Forgot to record the video, but as you can see, it's pretty rusted underneath. It's all dry now, so I'm gonna sand everything off and then sand all this. Then I got some wire brushes to go over, places I couldn't reach with the sander. Overall, it is pretty rough. It's not all smooth, so I won't have to do too much. It's just to roughen it up so that the bed liner there sticks. So I'm curious how it's going to turn out to be. Maybe crappy, maybe good.
Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump if I will just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy.
Okay guys, so I didn't think the bottle was gonna go that fast, because like you guys seen, I did like a first base, let it dry, and then I did a second base, and I only was able to do like the not the driver's side, but like that side. So check it out. So there you go. Those holes right there, as you could see, I will try to fill this one with silicone and then spray it again over just those holes. With this bedliner stuff, unless I'm gonna be doing like 4 more coats, and this stuff stinks. If I'm gonna be doing 4 more coats, I might keep it. I think I might have to still put a rubber mat over it. Regardless, even if I have to put the rubber mat over it, that will protect it from rusting even more. So that's gonna be a plus, you know. And then those sides right there, see that the mat stops like right there, so it's gonna continue being black and not white. And then if it gets dirty, you won't see it. This, I'm gonna have to get like 2 more bottles. I'll get 3 just to be safe. When I'll be filling in the holes, I'm gonna have to spray it over. I should have filled the holes before, but to be honest, I forgot. I got carried away. But anyway, there you guys go. Dried up. It's the next day. So see this silicone? That's what I use to fill the holes. So there's still not dry all the way. Do you see that? But time to do the rest. It is getting pretty rough here. It's really nice and grippy, I would say. Still drying, but seems like it came out pretty decent. I mean, how good can it turn out, you know, for an old van? But that black mark right there was not me. That was already there. But once I pull off the tape, should be a clean line. But probably gonna still end up putting a mat here in the back. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Maybe leave it for now. We'll see. Okay guys, so that's gonna be for the video today. This is part 1. There's gonna be a part 2, maybe a part 3. We will see. Excuse me. Maybe there'll be a part 3. We'll see what we'll do, but I'm trying to turn this van into something amazing. I need a suggestion as well. If you guys seen on the walls and on the doors in the videos you guys seen, it's all dirty from like home paint, because there used to be a painting company. Some kind of stains. If you guys know a good cleaner or something I could wash that off with, you know, rub it in, or I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions, be sure to let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.